Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable biometric login on Cash App. First, open the Cash App on your phone. At the top right corner of the screen, tap on the profile icon. This takes you to your setting account. Scroll down and tap on security and privacy. This is where you manage how to sign in and authorize action inside the app. In the security and privacy, look for the security lock or option that mention Face ID and Touch ID. Turn the switch on. Next to use Face ID or Touch ID, the app may ask you to enter your Cash App PIN first so it knows it's really you. Go ahead and enter the PIN you normally use to unlock or send money. Now when your Cash App opens or send money, you will see the option to use Face ID or Touch ID instead of using PIN or password, which is faster and more secure. Also, make sure iPhone already has a Face ID or Touch ID set up in setting for it to work properly. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.